Every day, thousands of people jump into Solana meme coins hoping to catch the next 100x. But by the time they buy, someone else has already made the biggest profit. So here's the real question. Why keep chasing meme coins when you can launch one yourself? In 2026, creating a Solana meme coin takes just a few minutes. No coding, no complicated setup, no blockchain experience required. All you need is the right platform and a simple strategy. In this video, I'll show you my complete launch process from creating your token to getting it ready for trading and using the same tools many creators use to kickstart their projects. And here's something you don't want to miss. Somewhere in this video, I'll be giving away one SOL to one random viewer. The instructions won't be at the beginning, so make sure you watch until the end if you want a chance to win. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Head over to cortexlaunch.fun. This is one of the fastest and easiest platforms to launch a Solana meme coin in 2026. Here you can launch nuke and earn from meme coin. In just a few clicks, you'll create your token, deploy it to the blockchain, and have everything ready for launch, even if you've never created a crypto project before. Let's build your meme coin from the ground up. Let's begin. First, click on Connect Terminal. I am going to connect my Solflare wallet connected. After connecting the wallet, look, I have 4.68 SOLs around times 365 times dollars in my wallet. Now upload the logo for the meme coin, then the name as I am doing game player and game for symbol for the description. You can write anything you want. It doesn't affect how your token works. For the social links, add your project's website if you already have one. If you don't, no worries. Every meme coin created on this platform comes with a free website. Now, clicking next. For this step, set the total supply to 1 billion. It's the recommended amount. Also, freeze authority and mint authority. Keep them selected because it will keep the buyers' trust in our coin. Now, the fun part, Cortex Launch gives us the option to promote our coin on DEX terminals as it launches so that we can have buyers' attention from the very beginning, you know? So selecting it, so let mint our token, click it next. All right, it's processing the transaction now, 0.3 SOL. I trust the site, perfect. Click accept to approve it. It's working. Great. I trust this site. Approve the request again. This is just the 0.02 SOL Solana network fee required to mint the token. Once it's confirmed, your token will be deployed on the blockchain. Boom. Our meme coin is officially live and it only took a few minutes. Your token is now live and everything has been set up automatically. Start by copying your token address and use it wherever you plan to promote your project. Your coin is now visible on major Solana tracking platforms, making it easier for potential buyers to discover it. Next, copy your project website and share it across X, Telegram, Discord, and any other social media platforms to attract attention and grow your community. Now it's time to launch our meme coin so it becomes tradable. Create the liquidity pool and keep 90% of the token supply in the pool. For the starting liquidity, you can begin with as little as 0.1 SOL. Click Deploy Pool, then approve the wallet transaction. The fee is only about 0.27 SOL. Boom. Your meme coin is now live, tradable, and visible on DEX trading platforms. Now, for the core of the strategy, the volume bot. Go to bot.cortexlaunch.fun, connect your wallet. I'm using Solflare as I have 4.09 SOL in my wallet. Here is Plan of Cortex Bot Basic Plan, just 0.7 SOL. If you choose your own, it goes around 0.5 SOL to 50 SOL, up to you. Higher the value, higher the results. Paste your token's contract address. The bot will detect your token automatically, and you're ready for the next step. Before moving on, double check the first and last few characters of the contract address to make sure you've selected the correct token. I am going with 3 Solana. Now click on Launch Volume Bot. Approve the request of payment. Just 3 SOL will give us insane results. Just wait and watch. Click on I trust the site. Okay? That's it. The volume bot is now active and generating trading activity to help increase your token's visibility and attract more attention. Now, head over to Photon. As you can see, Buy and sell transactions are already appearing in real time, which means your token is officially live and trading on the market. From here, you can watch your project's activity unfold, track every trade as it happens, and see your meme coin start building momentum. This is where your launch truly comes to life. Welcome to your portfolio dashboard, the place where you can manage every part of your project. From here, you can access your website, view all of your launch tokens, and keep everything organized in one convenient dashboard. Take a look at the live activity. Transactions are already coming through, trading volume is increasing, and your project is gaining traction. The volume bot is actively generating market activity, helping your token attract more visibility across the Solana ecosystem. As more traders discover your token, buying activity begins to increase, creating stronger momentum and bringing even more attention to your project. This is how many meme coins start building early hype after launch. Let's fast forward a bit and see how the project has progressed. Now it's time for the final step, managing your liquidity position. Head back to Cortex Launch, open the Launch section, click Manage, then select Remove Liquidity. Set the slider to 100%, click Remove Liquidity, and approve the transaction in your wallet. Done. This coin has made us 117 Sol. Once the transaction is confirmed, the funds are transferred back to your wallet. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's open the wallet and see the final balance after everything we've done. Unbelievable. From 4 Sol to 117 Sol, around $9,214 plus. Take a look at this. I'm refreshing the wallet so you can see the balance update in real time. This is exactly why I've been using cortexlaunch.fun. It gives you a fast and simple way to launch your own Solana meme coin without dealing with a complicated setup. Instead of relying only on launch pads where thousands of new tokens compete for attention every day, you can create and manage your own project with a streamlined process. While every crypto project involves risk and there's never a guarantee of success, having the right tools can make the launch process much easier and more efficient. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to enter the 1 SOL giveaway. You'll find all the entry details in the pinned comment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy launching.